Have you ever seen someone with yellow skin or eyes and wondered what's going on? Is it dangerous? Is it contagious? Or is it just too much carrot juice? Well, it's called jaundice. And while it might look harmless, it can sometimes be a sign of something serious. Let's break it down. Jaundice is not a disease, it's a symptom. It happens when there is too much bilirubin in the blood, a yellow pigment that comes from the breakdown of red blood cells. Normally, your liver cleans it up, but when things go wrong, that's when jaundice happens. Heme undergoes two key reactions. Heme oxygenase enzyme converts heme into biliverdin, a green pigment, and releases carbon monoxide. Biliverdin reductase using NADPH reduces biliverdin to bilirubin. Bilirubin is water insoluble, unconjugated. Think of it like oil. It can't dissolve in the blood. To travel safely to the liver, it has to ride on a protein called albumin. In the liver, bilirubin undergoes conjugation. UDP-glucuronic acid attaches to bilirubin, turning it into bilirubin diglucuronide, water-soluble, conjugated. Now it's like mixing oil with detergent. It can dissolve. This allows it to be excreted into the bile. Conjugated bilirubin flows through the bile duct into the intestines. Here, gut bacteria work their magic. They convert bilirubin into urobilinogen. Most urobilinogen becomes stereobilin, a brown pigment in the feces. A small amount is reabsorbed into the blood and sent to the kidneys, where it becomes urobilin, yellow pigment in the urine. Why conjugation matters? Without it, bilirubin stays insoluble and can be excreted, leading to jaundice, yellow skin, yellow eyes. So there are two excretion routes: feces, sterobilin, primary exit; urine, urobilin, backup route. Cut or close. Pale stools, bile duct blockage, no bilirubin reach intestines; dark urine, excess urobilin, for example, in liver diseases. And now let's connect the dots. If the liver is damaged, what happens to bilirubin? The answer is unconjugated bilirubin builds up in the blood, causing jaundice. Now, another question. Why do feces turn brown? The answer is sterobilin from bacteria action. Next time you see yellow urine or brown poop, remember it's all thanks to bilirubin's journey. So there are actually three types of jaundice. The first type is the increase of unconjugated form. The second type is the increase of conjugated form, while the third type is the increase of both, conjugated and unconjugated form. Most jaundice cases are mild, but some are really dangerous. In newborns, extremely high bilirubin levels can cause kernicterus, where bilirubin gets into the brain and causes permanent damage. In adults, if jaundice comes with fever, severe pain, or weight loss, it could mean a serious liver or bile duct problem. And now imagine your body is breaking down red blood cells too fast. The liver can't keep up, leading to an increase in unconjugated bilirubin. This happens in conditions like G6PD deficiency, enzyme problem in red blood cells, sickle cell crisis, abnormal shaped red blood cells that break easily, RH disease of the newborn, immune attacks on babies' red blood cells. Since too many red blood cells are being destroyed, lab results will show low hemoglobin because red blood cells are being destroyed, high reticulocyte count as the body tries to compensate by making more and more red blood cells. And now let's say your liver is normal, but it lacks an enzyme needed to conjugate bilirubin, converted into a water soluble for excretion. This leads to conditions like Crigler-Najjar syndrome, severe enzyme deficiency; Gilbert syndrome, mild enzyme deficiency, worsens with stress; physiologic jaundice in newborns; temporary enzyme immaturity. Since the problem is with conjugation, bilirubin stays unconjugated and can accumulate. What if the liver itself is damaged? It won't process bilirubin well, leading to a mix of both unconjugated and conjugated bilirubin in the blood. Common causes include viral hepatitis, cirrhosis, alcoholic liver disease. A key lab finding to differentiate them: if ACT levels are more than ALT, this suggests alcoholic liver disease. If ALT levels are more than AST, this is more likely viral hepatitis. Finally, what if the liver is working fine but the bile can't leave because of an obstruction? Bilirubin gets stuck in the liver, leaks back into the blood, and since it's already conjugated, we see an increase in conjugated bilirubin. Common causes include gallstones, primary biliary cirrhosis, pancreatic cancer. Well, how can we spot this clinically? Dark urine, because conjugated bilirubin is water soluble and is excreted in urine. Pale stools, because bilirubin is not reaching the intestines to give the stool its brown color. Newborn jaundice is super common, and it happens because babies are born with an immature liver that is not great at processing bilirubin yet. Normally, bilirubin gets conjugated in the liver and excreted, but in newborns, this process is sluggish. The result? A buildup of unconjugated bilirubin that makes the skin and eyes turn yellow. Most cases are harmless and resolve in a few days, but severe cases can be dangerous. Bilirubin can cross the blood-brain barrier and deposit in the brain, leading to a condition called kernicterus, which can cause permanent brain damage. So how do we fix it? Here comes the magic of light. Alright, this is where things get mind-blowing. When we expose babies to blue light, something amazing happens. The light transforms unconjugated bilirubin into a water-soluble form that can be excreted directly without the need of the liver. This means we can bypass the liver's slow processing system and help babies clear out excess bilirubin naturally. Now, whether in babies or adults, jaundice follows the same pattern. The key signs are yellowing of skin and eyes, classic symptoms, dark urine and pale stools, suggesting conjugated bilirubin buildup, itching, fatigue, weight loss if severe or prolonged. Blood tests confirm the cause, checking total direct and indirect bilirubin levels. Now that we understand jaundice, let's talk about treatment and when we should be concerned. If it's an infection, we treat the infection. If it's a liver disease, we support the liver. If it's a bile duct blockage, we might need surgery. For newborns, phototherapy is the first-line treatment. Jaundice itself is not always dangerous, but when it comes with fever, weight loss, abdominal pain, or extreme fatigue, that's a red flag. This could mean something serious like liver failure, malignancy, or a severe infection. In these cases, see a doctor immediately. Alright, let's wrap up this incredible journey into jaundice. Jaundice is not a disease, it's a sign of something else. Understanding bilirubin metabolism helps us pinpoint the cause. Newborn jaundice is common and often harmless, but in severe cases, phototherapy is a game changer. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial to prevent complications like kernicterus or liver failure. And that's it. You just mastered jaundice, bilirubin metabolism, and phototherapy in one go. Now, next time you see a newborn glowing under blue lights, you will know exactly what's going on. Medicine is truly amazing. If this video intrigued you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time as we uncover more mysteries of medicine. See you next time.